Hydropower, and it's by Amelia, me, which is Kelly, Jamie, Joey, and Griffin. Griffin, would you like to show us what this is?
This is Pac-Man loving hydropower but hating fossil fuels. It's safe and does not pollute, but fossil fuels pollutes everywhere. Hydropower has no fossil fuels.
Okay, Joey, can you tell me what this up here is and this person is doing right now?
Okay, so this is a chart showing energy costs. It's sort of a thing. This says cost per kilowatt hour, which is the y-axis, and this shows each of the different graphs. Fossil fuels has a lot of fuel, and it's this. Nuclear has more needs more maintenance than anything else. Look at the gas turbine; it's so high. It has a lot of fuel.
What about hydropower?
Hydropower doesn't need any fuel at all, and it's really short. Wow, no fuel needed at all. Look how short it is.
Cool.
Wow.
Amelia, can you tell us some facts about hydropower? Amelia, what are some facts?
Well, hydropower is a clean, renewable energy source that doesn't pollute the environment. And hydropower is air emissions are negligible. There are no fuels burned.
Okay, now I'm going to tell you about some pros and cons. Some pros are that it's renewable, green, reliable, and it's cheap once you have the dam built. It's flexible, safe, it's perpetual, it's available, and it's realistic because we're doing it right now. And some of the cons are it floods, it's expensive to build dams, if droughts that they don't produce a lot of electricity, it can kill underwater life. And there's limited reservoirs.
We can kill its underwater life by installing fish ladders so the fish can get back in the water.
And I'm sure you're wondering how long we've been using it. We've been using it for a long time, and these are water wheels of how they've been using it back then.
We've been using it since 100 BC. That's a long time.
Nice. What's this picture right here?
Well, this is sort of a diagram of how a hydroelectric plant works. You see, once you build the dam right here, all the water goes into the reservoir, and the intake is so it can go down here and spin the turbine, which spins the generator, which will send the electricity over long distance power lines. The extra water will keep going into the river.
And what's this picture right here?
Well, me and Griffin will explain that. This is a dam that is used to make some of the electricity we have right now.
And this is the giant dam.
Yeah.
What's this little guy right here?
This is a Greek guy, and he's talking about how old it is because he's from 100 BC.
And you can see he's using the water wheel,
which is the same invention we use for the hydroelectric power plant. It's nice to see and he's saying, it's nice to see our invention, the water wheel, being put into a clean way to make energy. Fantastic! And he's spinning wheat into flour.
Thank you, and this is Hydropower signing off.